Hi guys, today we're replacing the engine air filter in Nissan Kicks. First of all, we have to disconnect this clip. This will allow us to pull off the cover. So disconnect the clip. Then we have two more clips, these metallic ones on the right side. Unlock them, and now we can pull the cover to the right while lifting it at the same time, and now we have access to our filter. Let's take a look. This is how it looks, and on the other side, as you can see, we already have some debris here. That's why it's a good idea to replace it. When you insert the new one, you have to make sure that this plastic piece is on the right side. This way the filter will go in properly. Insert it like this, and when you put the cover back on, make sure that these two hooks go in all the way like that on both sides, and these clips secure it in place. And don't forget about this black clip. Alright guys, replacement is complete. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.